Hey friends, if Miracast is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now there's only one thing that you can do from your computer's end, which is to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane you can scroll down and select other features. Now in other features you can click on view optional features, view features for this one, and select wireless. Check this box here. Does it say remove or does it say add? If it says remove, it means that it's already added. Let's say that it was already removed. Okay, let it be removed. In that case you will have to search for it and then you will have to add it. Okay, let it be removed and then we'll search for it. Wait, I'll cancel it, I'll close it, I'll click on this, I'll search for wireless and then I will add it. Okay, so this is how I can add the wireless display feature. The rest is between your system and the TV, but there's nothing else that you can do from your end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.